Hello friends, welcome to Internet Networks. My name is DHCP Francis. In this lab, we have one switch and 16 PCs. Our task is to assign all the PCs to their VLANs and configure the DHCP server for all VLANs. Ultimately, we ensure all the PCs get their IP addresses from the DHCP server. And we are going to configure the DHCP server on this switch, and we configure 3 servers for VLAN 10, 20, 30 and 40. So first we configure the VLANs, and after that we are going to assign these ports into their respective VLANs. After that we configure the IP address on that VLANs. For example, VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, VLAN 10, name will be VLAN 10. Okay. Exit. VLAN 20, name VLAN 20. Sorry. 20. Exit. VLAN 30, name VLAN 30. Exit. And VLAN 40, name VLAN 40. Now let's verify. Do show VLAN. You will see over here we have VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Now we have to assign the interfaces to their respective VLANs. Starting from VLAN 10, we have the range from Ethernet 0/0 to 0/3. So, okay, interface range Ethernet 0/0 to 3, switch port. Okay, now switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. Exit. Another one is here Ethernet 2/0 to 3 and 1/0, 3 and 3. Okay, now interface range Ethernet 1/0 to 3, switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, now interface range Ethernet 2/0 to 3, switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 30. Exit. Interface range Ethernet 3/0 to 3, switch port and switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 40. Now let's verify the show VLAN. You can see here we have VLAN 10 and the ports are in VLAN 10 is Ethernet 0/0 to 0/3. You can see. Now let's configure the IP address on this VLAN. So we have 4 VLANs and we assign from 192.168.1.0, 2.0 over here, and 3.0 and 4.0. I mean 1.1, 2.1, 3.1 and 4.1. Okay. So interface VLAN 10. IP address is 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Exit. Another one is interface VLAN 20 and the IP address is 192.168.2.1, 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay. interface, VLAN 30. IP address for this VLAN is 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0. Now shut down. Exit. Interface VLAN 40. IP address is 192.168 4.1 255.255.255.0. Now shut down. Exit. Now let's see. Show IP interface brief. We'll see over here the IP address, the VLANs, the method, the status, and the protocol. Everything looks good. Okay. As of now, we have successfully configured these things. Now configure the DHCP server. Okay. So let's go to the configuration mode and the service and DHCP and the pool IP DHCP. The name we are using VLAN 10, this because this is for the VLAN 10, and the network 192.168.1.2 255.255.255.0. Okay. The default router is 192.168.1.1. Okay. The DNS server is 8.8.8.8 exit. So this is for the VLAN 10. Now let's configure for DHCP server for VLAN 20. Okay. So service, okay, DHCP and IP DHCP pool. The name VLAN 20. The network is 192.168.2.2 255.255.255.0. The default router is 192.168.1.1. The DNS server is 8.8.8.8. Exit. Now for the VLAN 30. So the service DHCP, IP DHCP pool, and the name VLAN 30, and the network we have 192.168.3.2. okay, 255.255.255.0. Now default gateway, default router is 192.168.3.1. Now the DNS server, DNS server 8.8.8.8. okay. Now exit. Service DHCP, IP DHCP pool, name is VLAN 40. okay. Network 192.168.4.2 255.255.255.0. If you want to know more in detail, there's a link in the description box. I have wrote everything about this and configure the lab also, so you can visit it out. So now the default router is 192.168.4.1 and DNS server 8.8.8.8. Now let's verify. So starting from VLAN 10, okay, console, let's see, show IP, you can see there's no IP. So IP DHCP, let's wait. Okay, the DORA process is complete. We get the IP address. Let me show IP. You will see over here the IP address, the gateway, the DNS server, the DHCP server, and the lease, DHCP server lease. You can see all things. Now let's see from here also. Okay. IP DHCP. Okay, now let's check another VLAN, for example VLAN 20, IP DHCP, and VLAN 40 also, IP DHCP, and 30, IP DHCP. Okay, now let's check from here. Show IP, you will see 2.2, and for VLAN 40, show IP. Okay, show IP, you can see. So this is how you can configure the DHCP server for the different VLANs. And let's see, and show IP DHCP binding. You will see the IP address, the client ID means the hardware address, and the lease expirations, type automatic, state active, and the VLAN's name, VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, this is how you can configure. I hope you like this video. If you like, please give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.